Chapter 1. Food. Where does it come from? Food. The things that we eat to live and grow are called food. Example: rice, vegetables, fruits. Do you know what this is? Yes, it is familiar to you. This is a chicken fry. And for preparing this dish, we require salt, of course, chicken, cooking oil, and a variety of spices. These are all the ingredients of chicken fry. Ingredients. The materials required to prepare a food item are called ingredients. For example, chicken fry. The ingredients are chicken, spices, salt, and oil. Boiled rice. The ingredients of boiled rice are rice and water. Food materials and sources. The ingredients of food are mainly from animals and plants. Now let us see the ingredients that we get from plants. Rice, wheat, maize, carrot, onion, cucumber, mango, orange, grapes, coconut, olive oil, sunflower oil. All these things we get from plants. These are all cereals. These are all vegetables. These are all fruits. And these are all oils. Let us see some of the ingredients we get from animals. Milk, butter, meat, honey. Plant parts and animal products as food. Edible part of a plant. The part of the plant that can be used as food is called edible part of that plant. Do you know? Some plants have only one edible part. In a mango tree, only the fruit is edible. Some plants have more than one edible part. For example, seeds of mustard plants give us oil, and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Bees collect nectar from flowers, convert it into honey, and store them in their hive. What do animals eat? Depending upon what they eat, animals are classified into herbivores. The animals which eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Example: cow, goat, and rabbit. There are other herbivores. Can you suggest some names? Carnivores. Animals which eat other animals are called carnivores. Example: lion, tiger. Omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example: human, rat. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Deer eats only plant products, so it is called a herbivore. Parrot eats only plant products, so parrot is also a herbivore. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goats, is an animal product. We get sugar from sugarcane. Reflection. Does everyone around you get enough food to eat? If not, why? Post your answers in the comment section. Reflection. What are the ways we can think of to avoid wastage of food? Please post your answers in the comment section.